Welcome to my video on climate action. Please hit the subscribe button and stay connected to David All Green Live on YouTube. Every year, the world adds approximately 51 billion tons of greenhouse gases to the atmosphere, trapping heat and driving up global temperatures. This causes climate change, and climate change is bringing our world to the brink of destruction. The only way to avoid worst impacts of climate change is to stop adding greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. I know that most of you are already taking steps to cut down on your carbon footprint. I am here to encourage you to consider a few tips that will help save you some money as you cut down on carbon emissions. I am sure you like that. For starters, reduce your consumption of animal products, which means meat, cheese, and butter. And here is why. According to a New York Times report, meat and dairy account for approximately 14.5% of the world's greenhouse gas every year, the same amount as the combined emissions from all the cars, trucks, airplanes, and ships in the world today. You don't have to stop eating meat completely if you don't want to. What if you choose to abstain from meat every Monday? By cutting out a few of those products and eating more fruits and vegetables, you will be able to have more positive impact on the planet, and it will make you healthier. Second tip, be mindful of how much energy you are consuming. Also, invest in energy efficient appliances. It saves you energy in the long run. Unplug and shut off devices when not in use. Here is why. On average, 10 to 15% of homes' electric bill comes from something called the phantom electricity. This is when you have something plugged in and charging, but it's not actually charging. So for instance, you have your laptop charger plugged in, but it's not hooked to your laptop. You have your phone charger plugged in, but it's not hooked to your phone. These things are still drawing power and it's wasting energy. And of course, it's costing you a lot of money. Pull the plug when it is not in use and save yourself your money.
This is Climate Action with David All Green Live.
Number 3, reduce driving. Consider alternatives like taking public transportation or trekking. Driving less is the best way to reduce emissions. Trekking more is good for your health and it saves you a lot of money too. The fourth step in reducing your carbon footprint is consider buying second-hand. Yes, used products. After all, they are cheaper and saves you money. One of the eco-friendliest things you can buy is something that has already been bought. No new resources are needed in the creation of that item. So, by buying something that's already in the waste stream, you are going to be able to prevent something from going to the landfill. Finally, start composting. Half of household waste can be composted, which leads to the reduction in methane and greenhouse gas in the atmosphere. Alright, I understand how really intimidating it is to start, but it is a gradual process. Just make the move, take climate action, and the world will be a better place for you and I. Contact me with your questions and feedback. May everything in your life be green and fruitful. I am David Allgreen. Thank you for watching and see you again soon.